Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? So, in this video, we are going to have a look at the floating action button in Flutter. So, floating action button is used to perform a primary action onto the Flutter application, and it's part of the scaffold field. So, how to write the fab syntax is to, after the app bar, write the floating action button, floating action button widget, give it an icon, icons dot, and on press method. And hot reload the app, and you can see a floating action button has been created. Click, and yes, print command is successfully executed. Now the other thing you can do with fab is to write extended. What it will do is it will add label plus icon with the button. So what I can do is, after the floating action button dot extended, which will take icon and label as parameters, add a label, hot reload, and you can see it is successfully executed. If you want to check the properties of a widget, you can use the control and mouse click, and here's the properties. I'm using the Android Studio, that's why I can use the control plus mouse click. If you're using the VS Code, make sure you press the control shift and alter button. So that's all from this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and for more amazing content, stay tuned.